Welcome to World of Stoicism and Wisdom. In this video you will learn the 10 Stoic rules to get financial freedom. The Stoic path to financial freedom. 10 rules for those starting with little. Before starting, subscribe to the channel and add yourself in Stoic World 4. Wisdom and development of self-control as a means of overcoming destructive emotions. Let's begin the Stoic life. In the pursuit of financial freedom, the Stoics offer timeless wisdom that transcends socioeconomic status. Whether you're starting with little or a lot, these 10 rules can guide you towards a more secure financial future. Let's embark on this journey together. 1. Rule of mindful spending. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies the principle of mindful living. Apply this to your finances by being conscious of every dollar spent. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and long-term goals. By practicing mindful spending, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses and make every dollar count. 2. Rule of budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial stability, regardless of income level. Start by tracking your expenses and categorizing them into essentials and non-essentials. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings and debt repayment. Remember, a well-planned budget is a roadmap to financial freedom. 3. Rule of frugality. Embrace frugality as a virtue rather than a sacrifice. Stoics teach us that true wealth lies in living within our means and finding contentment with simplicity. Cut back on non-essential expenses. Look for discounts and deals, and prioritize value over extravagance. Small sacrifices today pave the way for greater financial freedom tomorrow. 4. Rule of emergency savings. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can arise when least expected. Build an emergency savings fund to cushion yourself from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Remember, peace of mind is priceless. 5. Rule of debt management. Debt can be a significant barrier to financial freedom, but it's not insurmountable. Take a proactive approach to debt management by prioritizing high-interest debts and making extra payments whenever possible. Consider debt consolidation or negotiating with creditors to lower interest rates. With determination and discipline, you can break free from the shackles of debt. 6. Rule of investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is the most valuable investment you can make. Take advantage of educational opportunities, whether it's pursuing higher education, learning a new skill, or attending workshops and seminars. The knowledge and skills you acquire will not only enhance your earning potential, but also enrich your life. 7. Rule of long-term planning. Financial freedom is not achieved overnight. It requires careful long-term planning. Set clear financial goals for yourself, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps, and monitor your progress regularly. Remember, every step forward is a step closer to your dreams. 8. Rule of delayed gratification. The Stoics teach us the virtue of delayed gratification, of sacrificing short-term pleasures for long-term gains. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases, practice patience and discipline. Save up for big-ticket items rather than relying on credit. The satisfaction of achieving your goals through hard work and perseverance is far more rewarding than instant gratification. 9. Rule of gratitude. Cultivate gratitude for what you have, no matter how little it may seem. Focus on the abundance in your life, the love of family and friends, the beauty of nature, the simple pleasures that bring you joy. Gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance, allowing you to find contentment and fulfillment in the present moment. 10. Rule of community. You are not alone on your journey to financial freedom. Seek support from like-minded individuals, whether it's joining a community group, attending financial literacy workshops, or connecting with online forums. Share your experiences, learn from others, and draw strength from the collective wisdom of your community. Together, we can achieve more than we ever could alone. By embracing these Stoic principles, even those starting with little can pave the way to financial freedom. It's not about how much you have, but how well you manage what you've got. Start today, stay disciplined, and remember that every small step forward is a victory on the path to financial empowerment.